need you to know. So far away. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo LURR, kembali lagi bersama saya Hakim Ahmad. Bagaimana kabar Anda semua? Saya selalu doakan semoga Anda semua baik-baik saja. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke, di video kali ini kita akan bersama-sama melihat reaksi atau kompilasi video dari para reaktor atau pengamat musik dunia yang mereaksi Dimas Senopati. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama mari kita langsung saja gas ke videonya.
So far away. I am excited to see it again. All of these are blind. I've never watched these before. I think the only one, like when I did the Hail to the King, I think if you like watch it, there's a part where I'm like, yeah, I've seen this before. But I think I could say with all certainty that I have not seen this one.
We're gonna do Avenged Sevenfold, So Far Away by Dimas Senopati, because we love Dimas.
And I'm really excited because I reacted to Nobody, one of their newest songs. I'll link it down below, and that was incredible, and I love the performance. And I haven't really listened to Avenged Sevenfold before, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Never feared for anything, never shamed but never free. A life to heal the broken heart with all that it could. Live a life so endlessly, so beyond one other sea. I try to heal your broken heart, find a place in my mind.
I think this is the first ballad we've done, right? The first ballad. I like this. I like it. His voice is very, very good. He has a really good voice.
Where you can stay awake forever. How do I live without the ones I love? Time still turns the pages of the book it's burned. Place in time always on my mind. I have so much to say, but you're so far away. Sleep tight, I'm not afraid.
That's very sad. I feel very, oh, wow. The song Nobody that I reacted to, that was very heartfelt as well. Yeah, wow. Oh, I need to sneeze. That was unexpected.
But you're so far away. Sleep tight, I'm not afraid. The ones that we love are here with me. Lay away a place for me, 'cause as soon as I'm done, I'll be in my way. I love. Time still turns the pages of the book it's burned. Place in time always on my mind, and the light you left remains, but it's so hard to stay when I have so much to say, but you're so far away.
I don't love the way he just said burned. I can tell you that. Burn. If I was gonna use my one little voice teacher card, I don't love the way that he ended that phrase on the consonant. I'm not super into that. Is it found footage?
That's Dimas. I love when I'm sorry I had to stop, but like I love when he like does that voice. He starts like really getting into it, right? And it's kind of signature. I feel that's a signature sound. But I love how he stayed the entire time. He could have gone crazy before, right? But he didn't. He like totally surfed the song. I love saying that because I love when artists do that, right? Unless you change up the song completely, stay with it. Keep with the authenticity of the song.
But I'll see you when he lets me. Your pain is gone, your hands in time. So far away, and I need you to know. So far away, and I need you to know.
Oh, this was recommended to me. Wow.
Man, that sucks, bro. That sucks. I was like when we got to that part, I was like, okay, I'm seeing an homage. I'm seeing that there's an homage here. What's gonna happen? Keep it together. Keep it together. And then I was like, oh, I think if I was to rewatch this music video, knowing what I know now, I think I would probably have cried.
Oke, mungkin seperti itu aja untuk video hari ini. Semoga bisa memberikan hiburan dan manfaat untuk Anda semua, Lur. Dan saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.